So while we're filming and stocking up because the light is lovely and we're predicted lots of rain, why not show you some of the animals that don't get as much attention and as much love, because they're as important. We have everything here that maybe you didn't realise, with not just horses and chickens and ducks, which shoot, and cats and dogs. We've also got tortoises. There's one, there's a big one. This is Victor, or Toby, I don't remember which one's which, without seeing them both. You have to excuse me on that, they all look quite similar. That one up there is Cherry, I know her. And there's another little one here. They've just eaten their breakfast, so I don't think they're going to do a lot. Maybe that's why we don't put them in many videos, because they don't do much. But they're lovely. They're still very cute and a very important part of our sanctuary. So let's do the birds as well. And here we have 6 guinea pigs, or animals that normally guinea pigs or rabbits that are either pregnant when they come to us or need special care or something. I think they're waiting for their breakfast at the moment. Roberto's just down there preparing it. That one's empty, don't worry about the door being open. Again, another double door. So hopefully Frankie's going to cooperate, because Frankie loves being on camera and he'll come and fly straight onto your camera. Frankie and Ghost love being in the limelight. So somebody, where is Frankie? Hey Frankie! Frankie and Ghost. So if we stay still, they'll probably fly onto your camera. But I can tell you about them in the meantime. Somebody, really lovely couple. This was their life. The husband, this was his life, as all of his parents. Unfortunately, he passed away. And the woman wanted to make sure they go somewhere they get looked after. And we didn't really know that much about birds at the time. And she let us. She kept them until we're ready. So we built this for them. And they taught us a lot about how to look after them and give them the proper. Yeah, right, Frankie. Hi, Frankie. You're not going to cooperate because there's a camera, are you? And yeah, they're very happy because they keep making more babies. So unfortunately, they're too happy. So we've got some beautiful new budgies. Look, it's a camera. You love cameras. Now you can't. They normally come and fly on your head or on your camera, but...
Yeah, when I used to feed them, it used to be on my head as well.
Always. But you get a camera out, they're not going to do it. They're like, we don't perform. Come on, Frankie. I love this noise in here. You probably won't hear anything I'm saying over the noise. But I think we have one there who's making a nest. I call him a he, but I'm actually not sure. I know how to sex the budgies now, but the cockatiels, I don't know. So if any of you know whether Frankie is a girl or a boy, let me know. I'm learning as we go with birds. I've never had... Oh! Come on, Frankie! Come, mate. Get closer. Hey! Come on! Frankie! Hi! I love his, like his blusher. It's really bad contouring. Okay, I scared him away with my rude comment. It's beautiful contouring. Yeah. Beautiful makeup. He's coming and think about it. Come, Frankie. So I take my sunglasses off? You can see my face. Hi. We're going to have to speed this bit of footage up, mate, because you're taking a very long time. No. Hi, Frankie. Look, there's mummy feeding babies. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it from there. I can just about see the babies from there. Wow, they're big babies.
Oh, that's really cute.
Really cute. Oh look, on me. Frankie's on my shoulder. Finally. See, I wasn't lying. You knew that. Hey. This ghost come over. Hey, Frankie. Sometimes he likes to, if you've got a spot on your face, he likes to pick them for me. Yeah. Oh, loud. Has a lot to say. Hey, Frankie. It's really cute. It's so loud. What do you think, Frankie? Yeah. I wonder if ghosts is just going in the next box. Oh, ghost. She's gonna come as well. Yay! Can you see her? He's so lovely. Is that a
Hola.
Hello. I think we're on FaceTime or what you call Frankie. He's on the phone to his dad. Also called Frank. Or Franco, but I can't hear anything anymore.
Hello.
Ciao.
Ciao.
I've lost it. I have to leave. Who is it? Ghost?
Yes.
It's gonna poo on my face. Guys, we've got other stuff to do. Right. No, you're not allowed to come this way, guys. Come on. My sunglasses. Come on, sunglasses. Come, Frankie. Come on. Ow, it bit me. There you go. Bye.